shot, girl.
Hey, move from right here, so listen to me. If you're not gonna listen to the song, don't come at me. Have you ever gone skipping it? Skip. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I'm here with the doll again. Woo! Yeah. So anyways, tonight we decided that we're going to do a spicy truth or drink. I literally did on Google right now. Cause I never bother ask social media since it was just we just come up with it and so we can do it tonight. So yeah. Google kinda outside, but I go see if we can work with the question there. I have like a Smirnoff, the original one. I have like a fever in our bottle right here, so we're gonna take a look at shots. How the game work is if you don't answer the question, you have to take a shot. But if you answer the question, you don't have to take the shot. So that's how the game I go. Guys, quick commercial break. Look at my nails. They're so cute. Yeah, that is it. So, I could just go right on another video. Alright, so first question is how many sex toys do you currently own? We just get right on in that question. This could even start.
Yeah, well, yeah, girl, I know.
If you're not gonna answer it, you have to take a shot. Shot. Yeah, take a shot?
Why?
We'll start off with the fever. Yeah.
We not like this, you know. We not like this. A shot, you know. No, sir, this a little bit, man.
I hope you say
it.
No, man, drink it.
I don't want.
She want to get to the point, so we make sure get to the point, but it too little bit. Let me see what in there. Guys, one, answer the question.
Okay.
Yeah. Next question. Have you ever filmed yourself while having sex? No.
Yeah.
You jump up fast. You jump up fast.
Wait. Yeah.
Alright. Next question. Do you like things in here but you're crazy?
Yeah, right. No.
I'm not play about joke.
I'm not joke. No, Batman.
I'm not play about joke.
Hey, when I mix with Batman.
Next question. What's the oddest thing you've done in the bedroom?
Nothing else, nothing to my mouth, you know.
Nothing for true.
Nothing else.
We're not going with nothing. Alright, so the next question is have you ever done sexy role play with a partner? And if yes, what roles did you play?
I do that. Like, just on a lingerie and something there, you know?
Yeah, but what role you play?
Meaning?
Like nurse, just regular.
No, just regular hotness. Just regular spicy. When I put on a nurse.
Okay.
It's regular spicy, you know?
Them young and I go with themselves.
No. No.
I'll double the drink not either. Alright. So what's the biggest sex toy you've ever used? And it's including with a partner.
What the biggest thing I saw? Is that trench man? No.
Let's say Google. What kind of question?
What kind is that trench man that eat me?
Alright. This now. What's the weirdest object you've ever used during sex or solo play?
Nothing. You want a shot? Say I have to take a shot. See the one, yeah.
Give me my cup. I feel a cup that with some in there already.
Give me one little shot.
Put one little tip in a mine.
Look at shots, cause we know do them some. Girl, they ain't gonna do them something. You fuck up, you know. I am talking tonight. Too outside. How can I question them? They're big.
Mm.
Tonight, my most grown. Them are go battle.
Next question. Have you ever used something that wasn't a sex toy as a sex toy, including with a partner?
No, sir. What that's so? Take a shot, yeah. I have to take a shot. It's gonna be what else be view, eh? Okay, so
I remember she take another shot, then can't idiot not hear what she saying, but that's fine. It's a shot night after all. Come.
Hotel room. I have shot now. Grandma, I have shots already.
I think you really know one more. But I'm gonna take a shot.
Grandma, I take a stress with this. Shot yeah, kill me, blood clot. Tonight, my most grown again. Okay.
How many fingers can you fit?
Where?
Down there.
I saw that my big is a trench. Hey, I'm take
The
a
people
shot.
they ask you how much? How much can you fit down there?
One. I saw that my big. No man. Them a question
You shall lie. What?
One a year big one.
Stop the capping, man.
Hey, tell me about keep the question them. I'm gonna take a shot to this too.
I'm just gonna take me a shot. How many people have you kissed?
6 partner. Yeah.
Take a shot. I take a shot. You can't what's it on coat name something there.
And that means
My burst on our coat tip now.
what's up with but I'm shot.
No, let go the top. But I'm shot.
Me I'm shot in the come the girl I want me for junk and they batter me tonight. You know. I'm want to see for girl. Mighty God. No, sir.
Alright, next question. Okay. If you had to date one of your friends, who would it be?
Brittany. Top tier. Skip the question.
Skip no over that. Skip no. I'm not skipping anything.
Brittany, if you watch this, I don't know. Say you already.
Okay, Brittany, hi. I'm gonna take one shot. May I go? May I rest that little? Can I look like my body while I work? We go to this little bit. I look much mature. Like may I get from bad to worse? This smoother man, this I give me juice. Have you ever played dumb to get someone's attention?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fever.
Have you ever spread a rumor about someone?
No, stop. Me take a shot for the one.
You know, so sometimes I feel like that hear the question them. I should just go and get drunk. But anyway,
get drunk.
Tap it up.
Tap it up. More than a cup.
Come.
More than a cup.
My girl, when I take a shot, you're supposed to drink it. Drink a shot. Drink it now.
I'm not them feelings.
Drink it now. I'm a tea I drink it something. But then I start get my shots, them are you not drink. Right. And who's your favorite ex and call in name?
Oh God. Why they are far now?
We don't want to know which location in the door. What the heck?
No one calling people in name on this.
Shot, drink, nothing of this.
Me no want call him man.
Drink.
Call him man name. But me never want nobody go scream or call it.
Drink. You don't have to tell them. Just drink.
I'm not tell you no cause I don't want to know my business. I don't want to know my man.
It's not your man though. I'm just
If I
reminding
want the
you.
extra, I can't get him back. You ever hear? We're the 100. Spend some time with you. Go on, yeah. Oh.
What the heck?
Mm-mm.
My. Would you kiss the person next to you?
No, sir.
I like Shelton. Should I kiss it 100 times? I shall
Oh,
kiss it.
that, oh.
Then who else they beside that you
Yeah,
dumpy?
maybe have this year, man, with a kiss her from a girl list, right? Show.
Whew.
My girl.
What turns you on the most?
Um, my breast
Yeah,
and
for
my
real.
neck. Oh, God. What
The
is
backside this.
Woo!
Not for real though, yeah. Them day.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever gone skippy dip? Skip.
Yeah, definitely.
Have
Yeah, definitely.
cut that.
Cut that, cut that, cut that.
Have you ever gone skinny dipping? No, but I want to. Skinny dipping now when you go like beach or sun naked.
No, I have to do the things them. Yeah, I want to
You
do
don't
it.
have to do the things them.
I want to do it. So now I sex on the beach too.
Been there done.
Why? The poor road for me. Me young and me not even so I just don't think.
That's why I have to do them. I'm 50.
Say me have 50, me have how much then?
I'm 50. So guys, you have made it to the end of this video. If you want a part 2 to it, you can comment down below. I didn't get to end the vlog at home, so I'm ending it right now. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.